Yep, because the chainsaw does something that Daddy has never seen before. When you pull the handle, it has a delay. I have never seen that before. There's no way that can be real. Can there?
Can be. It's all broke.
It's a Stihl MS210C. It's a saw I just bought at an auction not so long ago. And I've never actually taken it out beyond starting it, but I did notice that when I started it, it has this funny delayed so it isn't as if it doesn't start, but I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be. I can't believe that's how it's supposed to be, because that would let the stupid thing potentially take off on you. Huh. So, if anyone else has a Stihl MS210C, can you tell me if yours does that? I'm inclined to think it's a sticky recoil spring.
You got it at an auction then?
I did. Are you ready to go get firewood tomorrow?
It's raining out there.
Well, hopefully it won't be raining tomorrow, huh?